Okay, how's everybody doing out there? First of all, my name is Kenneth Burton, the creator of Crystal Wage Technology Screens using Smart Technology Gain. Today I'm just doing a very short video for a few customers that are asking about, and some companies that are asking about the wallpaper projection screens. Keep in mind they're going to be made out of plexiglass, and for those of you that are asking for company contracts that are wondering about the difference between fiberglass and glass. Alright, so let me show you right here. So the top area of the screen, that's fiberglass, and the bottom area right here, that is actual glass. This is the sheet of glass that I got from a hardware store, 18 by 36 clear sheet of glass. So that would be the bottom half and that would be the top half. Now, there really isn't any difference, only that the invisible Nano has to be sprayed on a transparent surface, where the Nano, black Nano, does not have to be sprayed on a transparent surface. It can be sprayed on a transparent or a non-transparent surface, but the invisible Nanos do generate more light because light literally filters through the screen. So that's why the screens can generate, they have a higher gain, which is technology gain times 12, and the invisibles can show up outside, and they have insane gain capability to be to produce a picture at 9 o'clock in the evening, even in the morning, 9 o'clock in the morning until the evening hours. The screen can produce an amazing picture. I'll do a larger piece of plexiglass later on to show you the screen outside. Now, we're going to show you that there is no difference once you coat this with the invisible Nano, and keep in mind, those of you, only ones can actually get their hands on the screen paint of the invisible Nano, sorry about that, are companies only, and they have to have a contract through our company in order to actually obtain that formula. As for our customers, we have a wallpaper projection screen and a tabletop projection screen coming up very soon. Alright, so we have the overhead lighting. As you can see, plenty of light. Last demonstration I went extreme, had lights all around the screen showing that the screen can take in that much light, but we're going to use normal lighting. This is what I consider to be normal lighting. Alright, because there's already lighting in my environment. My projector is sitting back 9 feet from the screen. We're using a ViewSonic long throw 3200 lumens, and we're streaming through Chromecast. Alright, first things first, let's begin by removing that so you can see the screen, and let's start. So I'm going to show you that there isn't really a difference between the plexiglass or the fiberglass. Sorry, the fiberglass or the plexiglass fiberglass or the glass projection screen. So keep in mind, glass is at the bottom, fiberglass is at the top, or plexiglass is at the top. Now the projector I'm using is a ViewSonic, like I said, long throw projector. There's no calibration, no 4K upscaling on the projector whatsoever. Projector so set in the factory default settings. Let me get the angle. Now we have another version of the invisible Nano coming out called Black Silver. That will be available soon. That screen will be transparent, just to keep in mind it will be. And it's just to show you, whatever surface you coat with the Eclipse Invisible Nano Black, it doesn't make a difference. It's all going to react the same way. Surface just has to be transparent. That's all. Light has to travel through it. And as I said before, the only ones that can obtain the formula, you have to have a contract with our company. Now these are, with our company, they're sold in special containers that we have for them. That looks absolutely incredible. Tell me it's not gorgeous. And those who actually obtain a contract with their company, keep in mind you could coat this on glass, plexiglass, even a form of a PVC tarp. As long as it's transparent, it'll work with the formula. As you can see, there's no real difference between the glass and the plexiglass. I kept saying fiberglass, but it's not fiberglass, it's actually plexiglass. And as you can see, the blues, nothing washes out on the screen, right up on top of the ceiling light, and it looks absolutely fantastic. Alright, I'm Kenneth Burr from Crystal Edge Technology Screens using smart technology gain. Hope you enjoyed the video demonstration. I'd like to thank you all for watching. The wallpaper screens will be launching on the 24th of this month. Keep in mind we will only be accepting pre-orders only. Thank you all for your time.